Hello and welcome to Walk the Talk. I'm Shekhar Gupta at Bombay's Mehboob Studio. And my guest today, how do I describe him? A very unusual filmmaker. And unusual not just because he's so talented, and he has such an eye for talent. He's discovered some of the most talented people you now see on the screen, whose voices you hear and whose words you hear sung in Hindi cinema. Most remarkable because he's not afraid of putting up for critical scrutiny what he's done for 30 short years with Vinod Chopra.
Nice.
Welcome to Walk the Talk.
Thank you.
You've done something nobody does in Hindi cinema, which is to put your past up for critical scrutiny.
I know. I guess I'm foolish enough to believe that my past can be scrutinized. I think most people will rather hide it.
Yeah, because everything changes with time.
Yeah.
So I think most creative people, particularly showmen, would think, oh, if I had made Parinda now, I would have made it so differently.
No, but I'll tell you one thing. I saw Parinda in 5.1 digital sound. There's only one extremely stupid thing in the film. That's the song in the end that Anil and Jackie sing. Apart from that silly mistake, most of it for me was as good. And it's 25 years back. It's unbelievable. The film has not aged. But for me, the critical thing, Shekhar, was that not only do I want to go back and preserve our heritage of what I have done. You probably don't know, but we are doing a book on Guru Dutt on Chaudhary Ka Chand. We are doing a Sahib Bibi Aur Ghulam. I really think the important thing for us now is to look back and not only look back in terms of a retrospective, but also preserve our culture, our heritage, our cinema. I think it's all...
Because your retrospective is unusual for a living filmmaker. Usually retrospectives in India are done for people who are dead and gone.
Yeah.
Then somebody collects some money
Yeah.
and usually films division gets involved.
That's right.
So अपना काम पहले ही कर लो.
No, but that's
Because
also...
there'll be 40 years and 50 years.
Yeah. No, that's also because the whole idea that I have towards movies and cinema. See, when I started in Murder at Monkey Hill, if you see my diploma film, I ended that with saying that attempt to assault the senses of a Bombay financer. And I said to fight you in nude is not heroic, it's suicide. So I believe right from the Film Institute, Shekhar, that it's extremely important for us to be self-sufficient, to be able to do things that we believe we want to do ourselves rather than waiting for some organization to come and do it. So I think it's my belief that...
And in your early days, even some of your hits were made like that.
Yeah.
Like on Daily Wages.
Literally. I mean, we talk of Parinda now. Parinda, I had no water to drink. Nana Patekar walked off the set because we used to get pani ghar se. So मैंने कहा वो कहता पानी की बोतल. मैंने कहा अरे where do you mean पानी की बोतल? घर से नहीं लाया. He said घर से पानी लाना पड़ेगा. I said yeah. That's how we made those films.
And even 1942, A Love Story, I believe, is struggle for
Totally. Money matlab you won't believe. Let me tell you something completely silly. In Khamosh, we had a chita ka scene. We didn't have money to buy lakdi. So we hired 2 kulhadis and cut a tree in the forest and actually put that. I mean, when I saw Khamosh now, I remembered कि यार वो चिता का scene का लकड़ी हमने काटा था.
I thought you might even go to a Shamshan Ghat anyway and take pictures of
it was
funeral pyre.
You know, you won't believe. It's like, you know, but the funny thing is what P.L. Deshpande said, that when we were poor, we were having so much fun that we didn't realize we were so poor. मतलब 8 आने के राजमा मिलते थे बांद्रा स्टेशन में, 12 आने के राजमा मिलते थे नीलम लिंकिंग रोड पे. Without any problem, me, Renu Saluja was then my wife. We just used to walk for that 8 आने के राजमा. It never struck us कि 12 आने के खा ले.
Trust a Kashmiri to go looking for rajma anyway. You won't go looking for curry chawal, I suspect.
Yeah, absolutely.
But I believe this sort of poverty continued till 1942.
Yeah. 1942 was my... Yeah.
You took a punt on some new actors. And a very old music maker.
Where, in what?
In 1942, A Love Story.
Where?
Pancham?
Yeah, I mean, see, for me, the reason I did 1942 as a love story was because the music of Hindi cinema was down in the dumps.
Oh, that was the worst period for music.
Khatiya, if you remember, Khatiya satka de, ye kar do. अच्छा, और हमने कश्मीर में
तभी उसके time में कबूतर आजा वगैरह सब
horrible, it was horrible. And for me, because I grew up in Kashmir, I still remember first time I fell in love, I sang Tu Ganga Ki Mauj Mein Jamuna Ka Dhara for the girl. So my whole life was full of songs. And I thought that my culture was corrupted by Hindi movie music at that time. So I went to R.D. Burman. And R.D. Burman, by the time 42 was done, he was totally down and out. You
It
probably
was the
don't know.
worst phase for Hindi cinema.
It
I'd
was
say
terrible.
mid-80s to mid-90s.
Bahut kharab.
Awful.
Music, everything. I mean, to R.D. Burman.
Underworld,
Oh,
bad acting, piracy.
Yeah. It was the word. No, not only that, the talent itself
Right.
had accepted mediocrity as a standard. See, I'll tell you, Dada, which is R.D., when he composed the music for Kuch Na Kaho, I went to him. You won't believe this. He was really down and out. HMV didn't want to use him. So he played the music, and the music of Kuch Na Kaho was कुछ न कहो कुछ भी न कहो क्या कहना है क्या सुनना है and I am sitting there कैसा लगा he said मैंने कहा दादा and he was going through a really bad time so I didn't want to tell him so I said दादा मैं सोचूंगा मैं कहता अरे तू तो कुछ सोचता नहीं है he had that little Bengali accent first reaction बता तो मैंने gently बोला मैंने कहा दादा अच्छा नहीं है फिर धीरे धीरे my real personality came I said it's actually shit it's absolutely bullshit and I just lost it and I said actually right behind him was the S.D. Burman ka photograph who was no longer alive so I said actually I'm looking for him you are the greatest music director I believe in India and this is the shit you're giving me कहता नहीं बिकता नहीं है Vinod you don't understand
And your movie was set in 42 in any case.
42
Yes.
his worry was that it won't sell Then he told me, and I remember so clearly, he says, give me, am I doing the film? Because he was not signed. मैंने कहा, Dada, don't give me emotional, this thing, give me the music. He said, give me 1 week. Shekhar, I still remember, he was wearing a blue, blue kurta, silk ka. So I looked at him, he said, give me 1 week. I said, Dada, take 1 year. But give me the music I want. He had tears in his eyes. Then when I went next week, he had nothing. After 1 month I go, his musicians are sitting, my eyes were shut and he played the first note. It goes, Rongila, 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 Re, Rongila. So I raised my finger, my eyes were shut. That's our signal. R.D. stopped the harmonium. Said, Gana shuru nahi hua, tu ungli kaise utha diya? This is a S.D. Burman note. I said, Dada, first note ye hai, Gana kahin nahi jayega. And if you remember, it went, Kuch na kaho.
Do you have the NDTV Profit app? All the markets, all the news and your own homemade, ready-made portfolio available there for you.
We will right now answer what you should sell, what you should buy when markets are down.
Download at ndtvprofit.com/apps. Get the best app from the channel you trust.